If Google Chrome is showing a black screen on your computer, don't panic. I'll show you a simple and quick way to fix it, so let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome on your computer and after that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. Now, from the list, click on Settings. Next, scroll down a bit and then click on Systems. Here, you will see four options. You can leave most of them as they are, but now pay attention to use graphics acceleration when available. If it's on, go ahead and toggle it off, and if it's off, toggle it on. After that, make sure to restart Chrome so that the changes actually take effect. Now, once Chrome restarts, check if the black screen issue is gone. If it's still there, you can try toggling it back the other way and restarting again. Then you will want to make sure your graphics drivers are up to date because outdated drivers can sometimes cause this problem too. Next, if the issue persists, you can try closing all background apps and then reopening Chrome. Sometimes too many apps running in the background can create conflicts with Chrome's display. After that, your black screen problem should be fixed. You can now browse safely without any more display issues. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.